Hey guys, this is a quick fix for your Scuf controller. If you're having issues for it disconnecting, here I finally found the steps. This is from the November 2021 release update, causing all kind of issues of disconnecting while you're playing. Here are the actual steps to repair this issue, and we are going to go through them right now. Alright, your first step is to hit the Xbox button. Scroll over to your profile. Scroll down to Xbox Assist. On the top, move over to Get Help, Console and Accessories, Controller, and then you scroll down and it says my controller has connection issues after the latest update. Click on that, check firmware, and here you will revert your software. It will update. Are you sure? Yes. Controller will reboot. No updates required. Close, and the fix is done. No more disconnecting Scuf controller. It took me a while to figure this out because Scuf is really bad at customer service. No phone number, no chat, only email, and they wanted to charge me anywhere from $20 to $100 for the information I just provided to you. If you like this video, please like and leave any messages if you like these videos for me to continue to do them. Thank you.